CJ Villavicencio, Jaime Iliana, Ashley Diaz, and of course,
Si Wilbert na, babalik na.
our Jai Nicole Amelia, and Jairus Aquino. Request naman ako tayo tayong lahat. Yan. Tapos, labas natin yung mga banners natin and everything. Okay? Tama? Mahusay ang stage manager. Now, picture natin muna. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now with the audience, guys. Center muna. Picture. Okay. Upo tayo. Thank you so much. Ay, go! Guys, tayo kayo yung mga ano yan. Para kita yan. Okay, perfect. Taas natin yung banners natin, balloons. Open pa rin ang Vigo One booth for meet and greet. Peace sign. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Last one. 3, 2, 1. Okay, sabihin natin, golden scenery of tomorrow on Vivo One. 3, 2, 1. Golden scenery of tomorrow on Vivo One. Thank you so much, everyone. At Oye coming soon, and everyone. Maraming salamat po. Robinsons Las Piñas. At dito din daw, requesting sila. Dito din daw. Requesting sila. Okay, picture daw, picture. Requesting lang. Upo ulit pa, sorry. Para daw makita sila. Ready, guys? Ready? Picture tayo. 3! Okay lang. Excuse me. Please say hi to me. Ay, may mga naka-video ko rin pa. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Thank you, Robinsons Las Piñas. Sila din daw. Sorry, last one. Tayo na lang dito. Tayo na lang dito. Last one. Ayan. Okay, yung mga nasa taas. Ready, everyone? Kita kayo dyan, guys. Ayan. Perfect. Ready, 3. Ayan, para kita yung walang nagtutungkoon, Will Bea. Ready, kayo nila? Okay, 3, 2, 1. And before we officially end, maraming salamat po everyone to each and every one of you for being here today. Super thank you for your love and support for Golden City of tomorrow, especially the fans of the Viva One series and Vito. Maraming salamat po Lord. This has been the end by Mapon together with the Golden City of tomorrow cast. Say CJ, CJ, CJ. Say Jaime, Jaime, Jaime. Careful! Kinakabahan ako sa Jairus. Boots, ay! Ay! Mali. Ayan. Let us support Golden City of tomorrow sa Vivo One. Every Saturday po yan. Again, Vivo One, let us support. Let's pray also for Wilbert Ross as recovery. Sana inabot mo na lang. Maraming salamat again. Now, our Vivo One door is still open sa mga gusto kong umabol for our meet and greet. We will now officially start our meet and greet para po sa ating premium subscribers. Tatawagin namin kayo para sa photo opportunity. Kasama po ang ating cast. At syempre, makikita nyo yung photos after the event sa Facebook page and social media accounts ng Vivo One. And for our standard tickets, makinig po tayong lahat. Our standard ticket no selfies, no photos, but we can encourage you to set your mobile device to video mode para you can have your video experience. So bawal ang photos po, bawal ang selfie, photos, selfie, videos. But syempre, pwede nyo ang video experience for our night session. Again, sa ating premium subscribers, you have a photo, but no selfies. Again, meron tayong official photographer, no selfies, no video greetings, at everyone, no signing po para fair for everyone. Okay? Lahat also ng bags, dahil na natin upon meet and greet dahil hindi na po tayo makakabalik sa ating seats. Okay? Gifts, we encourage you to give it to the road managers, staff, para po malinis ang ating photo at high-five session. Okay? We have road managers, staff sa stairs. You can give your gifts to them. Rest assured na mag-music po yan ng mga artists natin. Okay? So once again, we'll start with premium subscribers for the photo